we've left Skye
Yeah,
and we are now heading down towards the Mull of Kintyre.
we're a little bit away from Oban.
Yeah, just outside Oban actually.
Yeah,
We're parked in a lay-by.
yeah.
Not the best park up.
But it's
Well,
alright.
that's not the best park up, but this view is, isn't it?
It is. This view
Yeah,
is
the
lovely.
view is absolutely amazing.
Go that way first. Look at that.
There you go, guys.
So you can get there, there's a road just there.
Yeah,
Just look out the window to this view.
bit of road noise.
It's amazing. I think they've got a barbecue
Here's a
up there.
lay-by, but there. How about that?
It's lovely. Look at the little houses across there.
Yeah.
Are they houses or boats?
It's a few boats on the water down there.
There's a marina down there, and that is called. This is Loch Linney,
Loch Linney,
and that is an island.
an island.
I can't remember what it's called. Let me have a look. I'll just check what it's called. I did look earlier.
Yeah, this is where we've parked up for the night. Just needed somewhere to stop and have a rest.
Schooner Island.
All right. So that's
Schooner Island.
Schooner Island.
Yep. I don't know if there's anything on it. Can you see?
I'm not sure. Do you want to swim across and have a look?
I think they're boats. I'm trying to really look.
There is boats. There are boats over there, definitely.
How can you see that far?
Because again, they are boats.
I don't think there's any inhabitants.
Is there not?
I don't know, because there's stuff over there.
Oh.
Yeah? Right.
But yeah, this is where we are. And there's one other van.
I think there's a little barbecue down there.
Yeah.
I'll walk down.
Yeah, we'll see you shortly. Good morning.
Morning.
What a morning it is today as well.
It's beautiful. Sun's up.
Yeah, sun's up,
No wind.
clear blue skies.
It's supposed to be a bit warm this weekend.
Yeah. Happy Easter as well.
Oh yeah, happy Easter.
It's Good
Easter
Friday.
Friday.
Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Yeah. So we're just going to take Isla for a quick stroll and then I might try and fly the drone.
I think you
Maiden
could
flight. So
Oh.
I've not managed to fly the new one just yet. So we're going to give that a shot this morning. So let's go for a walk.
get... Yeah. Oh, there's a boat out.
The blue skies this morning and
21 miles to Oban. I thought Oban was just around the corner.
yeah, no, we're not walking 21 miles. How about that then for a view, eh?
Beautiful. Look at the clouds just above the hills. So last night we were looking over there. We wondered if there are houses or not, but they're boats. But over that way, it looks like there's a house.
Yeah, on that island over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we'll see you shortly.
Yeah.
Destination Mull of Kintyre.
Promise not to sing it.
we stopped?
Kilmartin Glen. It's a castle. Go and look.
Let's go and look.
I was saying before, that car park's free to park in to come to the castle.
Yeah.
8-minute walk from there to the castle.
And you just spotted this on Park for Night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, let's check it out. In fact, there it is there, look.
There you go.
Through the trees.
Yeah.
Well, that's where we're heading up to. Kintyre
there.
Castle, which is just there. You can also go to the Ormeg Rock Art, which is 2 miles away.
If we had time, we'd go.
Well, we've got all the time in the world, but we're not. We didn't prepare for that, did we?
No.
So we'll just come to see the castle.
Thanks.
They're still sore from yesterday. Huh? Kintyre Castle. That is an awesome view. Look at that. Wow. So that's your fresh water in?
Yeah.
Cold water out? Mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, hi. I just came to see where you were.
You can go right to the top.
Feel free.
Oh, look at this. Impressive fireplace. Look at this. Oh my life. This is probably one of the better castles I've been to. Hi, La. Wow, guys. This will be a video in itself. Yeah. Right, let's make our way back down. See you at the bottom. problem with travelling and being on the road is you don't get very far because you always have to stop, check places out. We've just literally 5 minutes from that castle and we found this Netherlagi cairn. People started farming here around 5,000 years ago. It's a landscape of rituals. See like a henge in the field over there. So I'll have a quick walk over this bridge. Videos are just going to be full of landscape and scenery, but got to show you these places. The roads down the west coast. I would absolutely recommend you come down this side of Scotland. Absolutely recommend it. Stunning scenery, fantastic landscapes. And loads to see and do. On we go. Welcome to Tarbert. Smells absolutely delicious. The seafood.
Oh, you might get some seafood.
Let's see. Lovely sunny day as well today, isn't it?
Okay.
Lovely sunny day.
It's beautiful, really nice. Not far, it's really quiet.
We just stopped in the bar behind us there and uploaded our video for Saturday. Really quick. Wi-Fi. Just come out, the sun's still shining. Anna likes to cross over and be in the sunshine. And there's a mini hovercraft. Look at that. That's awesome.
That is so cool.
Well, Tarbert, you certainly haven't disappointed.
Are you having a good time?
I'm having a real good time.
I'm loving it here.
It's nice, isn't it?
Absolutely loving it.
It's lovely.
Yeah. Oh, Castle Tarbert.
Let's go and check it out. Up the steps. Taking a bit of a stroll up to Tarbert Castle. And then we're going to get some chips.
Ooh, fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Probably need a mortgage,
Don't
but
care.
hey ho. Look at that. We've got it on the right day as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's like Cornwall.
Yeah, little fishing port. Oh, look at this. Huh? Wow. Oh my god.
Just stay there a minute.
Amazing what you stumble across, isn't it?
Courtyard. We're going next to now.
Alright.
What do you think of this, guys? This is our view for the night.